Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Fluid Technologies. Now I'm going to unbox this DJI Mavic 3 Pro and let's see what is the change in Mavic 2 and what is the difference between Mavic 2 and Mavic 3 Pro. It's the latest one. This is with the RC controller. You can see on the screen. Here the controller have a screen. It's have additional cost. You can buy it, and if you not buy the RC, the remote control, you don't have like remote control like this RC. So RC and your normal remote have this screen difference. So it can work with Mavic 2 also, and you can use it with other DJI. So let's unbox it and we can see what is in the box, and then we fly it and we will do some practical videos. Okay, this is the DJI Mavic 3 and you can see here there is a sticker you can see over here, and they have a QR code. You can scan it and install the application. You can see tutorials, you can see manuals. Okay, this is the box in it, number one. And this is the DJI Mavic 3, and these are the wings with it, and this is the manual of this DJI Mavic 3 Pro. And let's see what is okay, then let's unbox this box. Very nice packing. Okay, this is the RC controller with it. I'll check it. And you have this charger. And this is the cable. Oh, it's very cool, very pretty cool. This RC controller. You have two buttons over here. Here are the camera. It's very big screen. You can see here. It's a very big screen. And you have this controller piece over here. This, and you have two options. You can use it with this controller. You can also install its application on your phone, and you can use it through your app, and you can use it with this controller independently. Okay, let's move to the drone. What is with it? Okay, this is the drone you can use. This is a drone camera. Let's say open it. Okay, these like this. Then you slide it down like this, and then you slide it down like this. So this is the camera with some battery installed over here, and this have 3 cameras in it. You can see, if you can see on the screen, and I put some, there are 2 sensors over here for obstacle sensor, 2 sensors over here, and 1 sensor over here. And this is the light sensor. I put on light, and this is the Mavic 3 Pro. You can see it's a big one. It's bigger than the Mavic 2. In my last videos, I also unboxed Mavic 2 in flight, and I put some videos on my channel. You can see over there. So here you can see how to configure this RC controller. First you select the language. You can power it on from here. And here you can select the language. I select English. Put next. You read this agreement and you press agree. Here you can select your country. I select my country. Pakistan. Put next. Here you can connect your Wi-Fi if you want to update it. Okay, put my password. It's now connected to my Wi-Fi. Now I select the time. Next. You confirm. Now you can use login over here. If you don't have login, you make a login. And you can create login over here. And here you can see. And then you sign in here. And let me log on it. I'll show you. Login will show me to join DJI product improvement. You can join or you can not now. And this is the welcome screen. It says you let's start it with a guide how to use this product. So telling you swipe horizontally from edge of the screen to return previous. It show you like this here. You can go back like this. You can go back and you can see like this. So next is it is telling you the controller over here about it, and this one it's telling you left adjustment gimbal tilt. You can move your camera from here. Here it can show you camera zoom option. Okay, so next it gives you other 2 buttons over here, and this button is for recording and this button is for picture capturing. When drone is flying, you can take pictures and you can record button over here. You have these 2 options. The next is telling you about these buttons over here. It shows you press and hold enable smart RTH, this one, and this one is the also have a brake. You can press to pause the flight and hover. You can press it and you can pause it in the air over the hover, flight and hover stable in the air, the drone camera. And this button is for switching in 3 modes. You can see here there are 3 modes. First one is cinematic, the second one is normal mode, and the third one is sports mode. You can see here these are 3 buttons. Okay, you can move here these 3 buttons. You can move like this, and this is the normal position. Okay, this one is the buttons preview, and the other 2 buttons on the back of this controller are here, C1 and C2. Here you can customize these 2 buttons from the controller functions, where you can change it as per your requirement. You have different options in it and you can customize it. And this one have 3 indicators like you can see here. The first solid dot is aircraft is not ready, because we have not power on the aircraft, so it telling us it is not connected. The second one is solid green, aircraft connected, if the second light on. The third one solid green, solid yellow, firmware update. If have like it's blinking, it means the battery is going down. I will charge it. And the third one is firmware. You need to update the firmware of the controller or the aircraft. So these are telling you about the blink, light blinking. First one is linking with aircraft, blue links, yellow low battery sign, green blink cyan, controller sticks not centered. This means these sticks are not centered. The other one blinks red, smart controller temperature too high. If it's light blink over like this here, it means your controller is too warm or aircraft battery may be leveled down. Okay, these are the optical transmission distance. Adjust antenna's position regularly when controlling aircraft antennas. With it can hold you and adjust the aircraft controller to make sure you always optical distance. Okay, now it's going to fly. Initializing the process. Okay, these are the screen telling you aircraft, show you the video as you are. Okay, these are the options you can enable on your hardware. You put next. You cannot, I'm not joining right now. Interested is flying DJI aircraft. Here is some help. How do I fly aircraft? Where should I go on a first flight? How do I fly safe? Okay, next. We already is ready. Okay. Now when our aircraft is connected, it show you option here to connect. So all the albums and videos are here when you record. In this, you have these options. There are some videos, samples you can find here. DJI gives you, so you can see over here. It's a very nice controller and it's good one. And you have these options over here: home, sports. You can add other modes, messages. Like these are the videos, activities available on globally on your controller. You can see videos, photos, everything. So these are the options. This is your profile. So you can use it with your controller. So I charge this batteries and these three batteries and controller in the charging hub, and then we fly it on the open area, and I will let you know about the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. So I will show this in my next video. Please like and subscribe my channel Absolute Technologies. Take care. Allah Hafiz.